Welcome to Woodrose International School. This is Teacher Brenda, AS1 Sociology. Our topic for today is Structuralist and interactionist views of the relationship between the individual and society. Our objectives are understanding the difference between structuralist and interactionist views of the relationship between the individual and the society. Understanding the domain assumptions of the structuralist and interactionist perspectives. And what does structuralist mean? It is a form of sociology, such as functionalism and Marxism, that focuses on analyzing society in terms of its institutional relationships and their effect on individual beliefs and behaviors. And what does interactionist mean? It is an approach focused on behavior of individuals that refers to three related perspectives: phenomenology, ethnomethodology, symbolic interactionism, based on the concept of social action. In this discussion, we are just going to focus on structuralism. Structuralist theories originated in the work of Durkheim and Marx. According to structuralist perspectives, social action is the product of underlying forces in society that reach beyond the level of individuals' consciousness and control. These structural forces shape our behavior and have major influence on our thought processes. Structuralism. We are going to look at Marxism and functionalism. These perspectives are structuralist perspectives. And for Marxism, capitalist relations of production are the main structural force in modern industrial society. The way in which capitalist production of goods and services is organized, with the workers separated from ownership of land and factories, can be seen as an invisible mechanism that controls the way in which all other aspects of the society operate. In contrary, we have functionalism. See the structure of society more in terms of institutional arrangements required to ensure the smooth running of the society. For example, institutions such as family, education, and government are associated with established patterns of behavior that together create an order and structure. Both these perspectives are structuralist perspectives, but they have different explanations about society. For structuralists, established social order represents a powerful force that the individual has little freedom to oppose. Individuals are puppets, and the hidden social forces are pulling the strings that make individuals behave as they do. People accept the established institutional patterns of behavior as if it is a hidden force controlling their actions. How? By conforming to social rules. In this way, each person's actions, it reflects the dominant influence of social structure. Therefore, sociology should be the study of the effects of structure of society on social life. In other words, sociologists should adopt a macro study or a large-scale study to sociology. To understand this, for example, structural explanation might identify poverty, which is seen as part of the structure of the society, as the cause to increase of crime rates, and suicide rates, as researched by Durkheim, might be explained in terms of differences in beliefs and practices between religious groups, religious institutions being part of the structure of the society. Furthermore, the idea of social structure becomes clearer if we think about the different ways in which behavior is governed by informal rules or norms that define expected behaviors in a given situation. Informal rules, it means ways of controlling behavior imposed by people. Norms is a behavior that society expects of its members. Every relationship we form involves a role. A role is a pattern of behavior expected of someone because of their status, such as being a mother, it's a role. Father, it's a role. Teacher, it's a role. Friend, sister, student. So, each role has certain associated values and beliefs about how something should be. There are norms associated with each role. For example, friends. We expect friends to keep secrets. We tell them. Another example is teacher. We expect the teacher to demonstrate dignity, responsibility, fairness, and freedom. So every time we play a role, we experience the effect of social structures. This suggested that social structures exert a significant influence on how we should behave. Thank you. Goodbye.